So this is shaded blue with white fonts. Here too have blue white fonts. And see all of this one very separately. You have margin center, then thick outside border, the thick outside border. This one too has thick outside border. Yes, have that. I will move to the next stage. All of these ones merged across, merge across. So we have this one, no border, no borders, and this merge all the way to here, and have our description, marriage and center. We have this description. I want to change the face of the unit. Price. That's it. Yes, a space here, you can see. So we need to handle that now. So that where we are going. So this one now is merged here. Agent center. We unmerge. We unmerge this and merge them here. This one too unmerged. So merge here, up to here, up to here. Left. This unmerged. Merge and center here. Unmerged cells. So here merge across. Merge across. Bring this one to reasonable space in between, and this one will have thick outside border, thick outside border, thick outside border. This one. So here now we have no borders. We have no borders. Apply this one back. Side border. Let's see. A side border. Here we have no shade. You can copy this one down. We have no shade. So we will come back to the line. We have this. So continue description. We have this one amount. All this has blue shade as fill, and then white text font, and centers. Is this one? Is this one? Is this one? All these ones merged across.